I'm sitting outside and in the garden. And it's really early, and I just got out of bed, and I'm still in my PJs and wearing a woolen dress and a blanket because it's still a little bit chilly. Here's a thing that you can do. This is a really easy way to take a quick selfie without going for makeup, because what you do is you create an atmosphere of how you spend your mornings, for instance. What you could do is just do something like this, right? A whole bunch of ugly sweater and whatever, and so the light come and my eyes look a little bit droopy because I'm just straight out of bed. What you do is you just lift the camera like this. Now it's sort of level, right? So don't go like this, but just like there's a line in the middle, and that's the line. Now, if you do it like this, then there's not really a connection between you and the viewer, and that is what you want. What you do is you just get your beautiful blanket or your scarf or whatever, and because we go for the feeling, and just wrap it around you so that you get this feeling of, oh, someone is sitting. Sorry for all the moving. So you get the feeling of someone is sitting outside, nice and cozy. And then what you do, instead of this, you keep the camera up and then you move forward and just a little bit. And now there is all these nice lines in your phone, and use those lines. What you could do is you can tilt your head a little bit like this, or a little bit like, and just really find the best frame for your face. And you could do it like this, for instance, and then you could do it a little bit like this. And what you do is you just find the best possible frame. I got this little thingy in my garden with the blue, and that looks nice with the gray blue here in my blanket. And you can hold your cup that is empty by now, and then just stare a little bit in the distance or whatever. So you don't always have to look in the eye of the camera, especially when you're autistic. That's just really horrible. You could just look around a little bit, and then instead of taking one photo, you take 10 or 11 or 14, because you will see that 9 out of 10, the final picture that you take, the photo, is the best one. And can you see the difference between having my face like this, when it's like, oh, where is the button? Where do I need to push? Don't do it like that. Just go lower your chin a little bit, and then elongate your neck a little bit if you can, and then find the angle and the light. See if you can find. Oh, sorry, I'm going down again. See if you can find the light on your skin. That's it. It's very easy, and then you don't have to use all the AI stuff, but just show the best of you. Bye. Make beautiful pictures of your beautiful face.